Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it helps your girl out and I do appreciate it. Okay, so I am making some stuffing. Guys, I do have a stuffing video already, but this one has more. It has the bell peppers, the onions, and all of that. So I wanted to incorporate this one because this one is absolutely my favorite. So stick around. Of course, as always, the ingredients are going to be listed below, but I wanted to explain. Some recipes say you can use half of a red bell pepper, half of a green bell pepper. I use the whole thing. I chopped up the whole thing. You don't have to do that if you don't like that many vegetables in your stuffing. Well, then just stick to half of it. I did all of it, and then I did half of a white onion and 3 to 4 ribs of a celery, and then of course I did 6 boiled egg whites. So I'm getting everything ready to be sauteed. I'm going to saute all of it. Now it looks like a lot, but whenever I mix it with the cornbread and the breadcrumbs, it fits perfectly to me because I like there to be a lot of vegetables. If you don't like it, then like I said, stick to half of the red and green bell pepper. But I loved it as it is, and I put it on a medium heat so that it could saute with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm only adding salt and pepper. You can add whatever seasoning, vegetable seasoning, Johnny's seasoning, whatever it is you want to add to it, go ahead and do it. Now I want these to be really soft because when I bite into the cornbread, I don't want it to be crunchy. So I'm going to saute these for like 10 to 12 minutes depending how soft it is you want it. Like I said, I want it pretty soft. Made the cornbread the day before in a 13 by 9. You need 4 cups of crushed cornbread. So I just put it in the food processor and it shredded it up really nicely like this. And then I got some breadcrumbs and 1 full, I don't want to say 2, but carton of what the breadcrumbs comes in. It takes all of it, so it's 4 cups as well. And like I said, the ingredients are in the description below. But yeah, now just mix it all around, get them going, and by now it has been 7 to 10 minutes and I'm mixing the vegetables in there nice, hot and steamy. Even the juices, get them juices in there. Whatever is in that pan, put it in there and mix it around. I guess we should have used like a better spatula because that one was kind of flimsy, but my daughter is there mixing it around for me because I didn't want her to deal with the hot pan with the veggies. So just mix all of it around, and you guys, the smell of it is so amazing. I love the way the house smells whenever you're sauteing vegetables, bell pepper. Oh my god. Okay, so now we are adding the chicken broth in there and mixing it little by little, making sure all of it is gonna get covered and swimming in that chicken broth. So just move it around, move it around. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious when you're making it. I love stuffing. I think that's my favorite side on Thanksgiving or Christmas. Now we're gonna put some sage in there. Okay, you're also supposed to put celery salt, and I was all out of celery salt. But it's okay, I went ahead and made it. But sage, if I did not have this seasoning, I wouldn't even have made stuffing. Make sure you have that seasoning. It really makes a difference. Okay, so once you have everything in there, of course, keep mixing it. Get your eggs in there as well. If you don't like eggs, or if you're allergic, of course, just take out whatever it is you don't like and add whatever it is you want to add. So, oh my goodness, this looks so good. I forgot to mention on the bell peppers, guys, I put the whole bell pepper in there. You don't have to do that. You can use half a bell pepper. I just chopped up both red and green bell pepper and half an onion and added it in there. Now I'm putting it in a 13 by 9. We didn't spray it with no oil or anything. It's not gonna burn. And I wanted to pat it down a little more, but my daughter just left it kind of fluffy. I usually like push it down, I press it down. But it's okay, she didn't do it. It still came out great. And we have the oven already set at the temperature. So we are going to put it in for 40 minutes at, I believe it's 400 degrees. I'll have it listed below and stamped on this part right here. Wrap it up in some foil paper and see you in 40 minutes. 40 minutes later and it is done. The house smells amazing. This, oh my gosh, when you lift that foil paper off, the smells that come through there, oh, so good. I can't wait to dig in. This is my favorite side dish. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one.